everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Haitian Flag Day, a symbol of pride, resilience, and the world's first successful slave revolution. As we dive into the history behind the blue and red, it is important to acknowledge that the story of Haiti's birth is one of intense and violent struggle. Because this revolution was fundamentally a fight for liberation by enslaved Black people against their white colonizers, some of the historical accounts we will discuss today are raw and may be difficult to hear. We share these truths not to divide, but to fully honor the cost of freedom and the courage of those who rose up to claim it. With that being said, we apologize in advance if some contents appear offensive to some people. As you all can see behind me, the year it's 1803, and we are in Arcahai, Haiti. It is after the Battle of Vertières, and Jean-Jacques Dessalines is thinking about a new symbol to represent the new nation. Tonight, he is meeting with his soldiers. The purpose of the meeting is to decide of a new symbol to represent the new nation. The view of the blue, white, and red of the French flag starts reminding them of oppression, cruelty, chains, and slavery. The meeting will take place in a few minutes. Let us watch how this will play out.
This flag, this symbol of liberty, what liberty has it given us? Chains, whips, blood in the cane fields. They call us citizens, yet treat us like beasts. Catherine, will you sew these together? Not as they were, but as they must be.
With my hands, I will bind what must never be divided again.
No. A new banner. A new nation.
This is more than cloth. It is our unity, our freedom, our future.
From this day forward, we fight not as divided people, but as one. Under this flag, we will win our freedom. Yeah! Freedom or death!
There it is, the outstanding story of the famous creation of the Haitian flag. But the flag will not stay blue and red for long. As you just saw, Dessalines ripped off the white from the French flag to create the very first blue and red Haitian flag in 1803. The flag then was vertically blue and red. The following year in 1804, after the independence was proclaimed, Dessalines modified the position of the flag by putting the blue and red horizontally. The following year, once again in 1805, Dessalines proclaimed himself Emperor Jacques I and replaced the blue by black and created a new flag for the nation. The flag was black and red and was brought back to its original vertical position. After the assassination of the Emperor Jacques I in 1806, the country is split in North and South. This will last from 1806 to 1820. Henri Christophe ruled the North by keeping the previous vertical black and red. Alexandre Pétion ruled the South but brought back the original blue and red, but this time horizontally. He also introduced a new addition to the flag by putting the coat of arms in the center with the motto, L'union fait la force, meaning unity makes strength, or united we are strong. 1820 to 1849 is known as the reunification era. Jean-Pierre Boyer brought back the country under one flag. He kept the blue and red horizontal with the coat of arms at the center. From 1849 to 1859, Faustin Soulouque took the power and proclaimed himself Faustin I. He retained the horizontal blue and red, but replaced the coat of arms by an imperial shield, representing his monarchical rule. After his overthrow in 1859, the coat of arms was replaced, and the horizontal blue and red will remain until the arrival of Duvalier. In 1964, François Duvalier, Papa Doc, instituted a black revolution and brought back the vertical black and red flag of Dessalines. He kept the coat of arms but modified it by changing the trophy flags in the center in black and red too. After February 7, 1986, when Jean-Claude Duvalier left, the horizontal red and blue was restored, and the original coat of arms was also restored. Haiti secured its independence in 1804 through a historic revolution, during which enslaved Africans liberated themselves and claimed the land from their former colonizers. This freedom came with a heavy price, which Haiti has never ceased to pay. The French masters felt this was their land, their home, their business that they have lost. In 1825, after several attempts to regain Haiti, France demanded reparation. Following an ultimatum enforced by French warships, the Haitian government agreed to pay 150 million gold francs to compensate former slaveholders, a crippling historical burden. The financial exaction and the subsequent loans Haiti took out to afford it, often termed a double debt, deeply impacted the country's development. The initial 150 million franc indemnity was reduced to 90 million francs in 1838, but the combination of payments and loans drained Haiti's economy. It took Haiti 122 years to completely pay off the debt, finally making its last payment in 1947. May 18 stands as a perpetual monument to liberation. While we look to the future, it is crucial to remember our history and the heritage bequeathed to us by those who endured enslavement. They sacrificed their lives to leave us this legacy. Now, in an era of unprecedented access to education, we are called to determine our contributions to this heritage. This responsibility is deeply personal and falls to each of us individually. Happy Haitian Flag Day to each and every one of you.